event is particularly important because it's bringing together various practitioners so that we can ensure that all the work being undertaken is joined up.
For Lambeth to have an effective public health model, it has to be community-led.
I'm really happy that you've taken this time to join together in our shared endeavour of looking for the best way forward in order for us to really keep Lambeth children safe.
Potentially a public health approach may mean quite different things to different people. So we thought it would be a really useful opportunity to sort of speak to somebody in the local authority to come and share what current thinking is around what a public health approach is.
So one of the first things that these different approaches have in common is that they see youth violence as something which is preventable. So in other words, it's not something that we just manage when it happens, we can actually prevent it happening.
We are still talking about a very small number of people involved. We mustn't stigmatise all of the young people involved in this. It's still a very small number, but that small number has a huge impact on our communities, on our residents, on their colleagues, on their friends.
But we need to importantly speak to the people themselves, the young people. We need to speak to the gang members, we need to speak to the parents and the families.
We had to focus on making more out of our schools and maybe with the aim of reducing exclusions to zero.
So we have the resources and we have the know-how and the willpower, we just don't know how to connect. The guys are worried about the connections.
I hope that the work that organisations are doing will be better linked together and that we'll have more opportunities to develop our work in partnership with each other.
What faith-based church should be doing is go out to the community, not just within the four walls of the church or any faith-based, to see how they can help the community holistically.
At the moment, the right interaction and the right engagement. That's the be all and end all. I personally think that.
So I'd like to see statutory services, voluntary services, and also individuals coming together and working together very often. I want to see that written into policies. I want to see it as a system change, as something that's standard operating procedure for all of the people in that room.
As a result of this event, I hope that all of these amazing conversations that we had today will continue and that there will be a real sense of a dialogue.
We need definitely more funding involved. More interaction with Lambeth Council. They have to try and get their hands in now and interact with people that are engaging at this grassroots level.
Not just to talk about talking, but actually put everything into practice as soon as possible, because we're dealing with an emergency in our hands and we have to deal with it as an emergency.